You are preparing to initially configure the IP line. Data on a CRLS system. Which switch overlays should you use to configure the IP address for the active ELM Ethernet interface of the system and to verify the status of that interface during the initial configuration of IP line? Option A. LD97 for configuration and LD137 for status check. Option B. LD117 for configuration and LD97 for status check. Option C. LD117 for configuration and LD137 for status check. Option D. LD137 for configuration and LD117 for status check. The correct answer is option C. When setting up a new IP telephony node on a CRLS system, how can you limit the impact of broadcast and multicast messages using Optivity Telephony Manager, OTM? Option A. Configure COS and enable 802.1q support. Option B. Configure COS and enable Network Address Translation (NAT) support. Option C. Configure the Digital Signal Processor (DSP) profile data and modify the idle voice values. Option D. Configure the Embedded LAN (ELAN) gateway routing table and enable Simple Network Management Protocol (SNMP) traps. The correct answer is option A. Physical terminal numbers, DNs, for voice gateway media cards, VGMCs, have to be configured on a CRLS system. Which overlay is used for configuration of the physical TNs, IPTNs, and how do they appear? Option A. Use overlay 14, the physical TNs appear as tight trunks with a route data block, RDB. Option B. Use overlay 97, the physical TNs appear as tight trunks with a route data block, RDB. Option C. Use overlay 14, the physical TNs appear as tight trunks without a route data block, RDB. Option D. Use overlay 97, the physical TNs appear as tight trunks without a route data block, RDB. The correct answer is option C. On an installed CRLS system, what is found listed in the Embedded LAN (ELAN) gateway routing table? Option A. Card properties addresses. Option B. Network connection addresses. Option C. SNMP/trap destination addresses. Option D. Remote maintenance workstation addresses. The correct answer is option D.